Looking for the best RC helicopters? Here are the top 3 remote control helicopters for hobbyists that offer amazing features, long flight times, and superior control. Let's dive into the best picks for your next RC adventure. Number 1. C-189 RC Helicopter MD500. The C-189 RC Helicopter MD500 is a high-performance, brushless dual-motor remote control helicopter designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It features a 6-axis gyro for enhanced stability and a one-click takeoff landing function, making it beginner-friendly. Equipped with a 7.4-volt lithium battery, it offers a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes on a single charge. The 6-channel controller ensures smooth operation with a remote control range of approximately 150 to 200 meters. With a charging time of about 90 minutes, it delivers consistent and powerful performance. The durable plastic body makes it lightweight yet sturdy. The package includes a remote controller, battery, USB cable, and user manual, providing a complete flying experience. Ideal for hobbyists aged 14 and above. Number 2. 2.4 GHz MD500 RC Helicopter. The 2.4 GHz MD500 RC Helicopter is a micro-sized, beginner-friendly remote-controlled aircraft designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilization system, it ensures smooth and steady flight, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate users. The altitude hold function allows effortless hovering, enhancing the overall control experience. Weighing just 58 grams, it is lightweight yet durable, powered by a 3.7 volts lithium battery that provides a flight time of 5 to 10 minutes. The 3.5-channel controller offers a remote range of 20 to 50 meters for easy maneuverability. With a charging time of 60 minutes via USB, it ensures quick readiness for the next flight. The package includes a remote controller, original box, USB cable, batteries, and an instruction manual. Available in camouflage and red, this RTF, ready-to-fly helicopter is an excellent gift choice for hobbyists aged 14 and above. Number 3. RC Helicopter, Military. The RC Military Helicopter is a high-performance, 4-channel remote control aircraft designed for both beginners and experienced users. Featuring a sleek military-style design, it is equipped with bright LED lights for enhanced visibility during night flights. The built-in 4K camera allows for high-quality aerial photography and video recording, making it an exciting choice for enthusiasts. With an altitude hold function, it ensures stable and smooth hovering, providing easy control for users. The helicopter is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering an extended flight time for a thrilling experience. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even during rough landings. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor flying, this helicopter makes a perfect gift for adults on birthdays, Christmas, or special occasions. A great choice for RC toy lovers.